Okay, so the other day I tell my son to put my laptop that is connected to my external in my room here in my studio. And he does that, and I don't know what happened. He hit a cable or something. Anyways, I thought that something happened with my external. I got a little one, and it wouldn't connect to the computer. I had to restart the computer. I had to do a lot of stuff, and I got kind of scared because I got thousands of videos. I really do, and I do videos all over the place, including Amazon and things like that. And I thought to myself, if I lose my 700 plus videos that I have there, it's just not good. I want to have a place where I store them, right? So I started doing my research. I wanted to get something that I can store all my videos. And this is kind of what I came across, right? And now I'm an older dude, I guess, I'm about to be 41, but I remember when these things were really expensive. And in fact, I got two older ones that broke that I have like 10 years ago or something like that here. And again, I remember when they were crazy, just crazy expensive. But I'm going to tell you, the prices are fantastic, right? This is 12 terabyte right here. So what we're going to do is that we're going to open it up and we're going to kind of take a look at it. I'm going to use it for a while and then we're going to do a full review later on. But again, 12 terabyte, it's just insane. So again, I definitely recommend you guys to get something like this. If it's not this one, something related to that, because again, you want to hold your footage, you want to put it away, you want to save it. And again, it's going to be a storage area. Now, this is going to be intended to be here on my desk to be able to store thing. Not really going to work out of this or anything like that. I'm going to plug it to my computer, dump a bunch of files, and I'm going to leave it alone. And then again, once a month, I'm going to back it up and dump a bunch of files, right? So again, I'm pretty excited about this. So definitely let's take a look. By the way, if this is your first time here in the Content Creator Tools channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell that is going to be down there. Definitely share comments. I definitely appreciate that. In this channel, we talk about tools that is going to help you create better videos, talk about strategies and things like that as well. Okay, so I'm really pumped about this and I'm really excited because again, 12 terabyte is just going to give me so much, really, really a lot. So I'm going to tell you, this one right here comes in different sizes. You could get a 4 terabyte, 6, 8, 12, 14. I mean, you could go to 16. I believe you could go all the way to 28, 30 something. I mean, it's insane. You could get them really, really big. Obviously, as big as you go, the price is going to increase. This company has been around for a really, really long time, so it's not new into the market. They have been doing a lot of work, right? Western Digital has been around for years to come, right? It's going to be powered by your regular plug, so you're going to be able to connect it, and then you have a USB 3.0. Again, is it going to be the fastest one out there, or is it really fast? I don't know. It's really, to me, intended as a storage area, and if you get one of this, that's kind of what I think people get it for, right? You connect it to your computer, you dump a bunch of files, you make sure those files are safe. So let's open it up and then let's just take a quick look. This is going to be an unboxing. Very, very excited about this. And again, I'm going to show you what comes inside there, right? So again, you're going to have the external right here. Obviously, these little plastic things are just a plastic thing to storage them. And then here's what you got right there, right? And we're gonna kind of open it up. It's really not that big, right? Look at my hand right there. So again, it's really not that big or anything like that. So let's open this up. And here you have it. And you see this one right here. It's kind of different than that. This is more glazzy and this is more matte right there. Pretty cool design. It looks really, really nice, right? So it doesn't look bad at all. Here you have you plug right here. Obviously, you see it right there. You have the connector right here. This is a fast connector. I don't really know the term. And here you have a place to lock it if you work in a place that you need to lock it. A little bit of branding right here. It says my book. And again, here's this side right here. In the bottom part right here, you have two legs and they feel like rubber. So obviously, this is kind of intended to be set up like this, right? And if you put it right there, it feels pretty good secure. What else we got in the box? And we have a couple more things here. We're going to take it out. Okay, obviously you have some instructions on how to do it right here. You do have your cable that is obviously going to go from the device to your computer. And again, this cable is not super big at all. So maybe 2 feet or something like that, obviously. And again, if you see the blue right there, is 3.0. I believe it's going to work with a 2.0 USB as well, but if you want a faster speed, 3.0 is going to be the way to go. Next thing you're going to have is the plug right here. And again, the plug is not that big, but it should be good enough to reach the back of your desk or something like that. So this is pretty much what we have right here, guys. We have the sternal right here. We have a plug. We have the cable to connect it to the computer, and we have some instructions. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the computer and see how it works. Okay, so really interesting because I have the instructions right here, but it really didn't take anything. I just plug it in, plug it to the computer, and it show automatically, right? So again, I got it here in camera for you guys can see it. Again, it's connected to the computer. I got the cable back there connected to essentially my outlet, right? And again, it's not really connected to the computer. It's connected to a hub, and the hub is connected to the computer via Thunderbolt. But I want to share my screen right here just to show you guys very, very quick. I'm just going to pick a random video right here that is about a GIMP long. All right, this one right here is about 1.1, and we're going to drop it right here. And let's see how long does this take to copy, right? In about 10 seconds, 5 seconds. I mean, I'm doing this right here in video. You guys can see it. And that's how fast it was, right? So that should kind of give you an idea if you think that is fast enough or not, right? So to me, that was pretty good. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Links to this is going to be down below. Obviously, it's going to be an affiliate link, and we definitely appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you hit that like, that subscribe, that bell, so you can be notified when I post videos. I appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the next one.